Hi guys. The key to really good artistic material is to always be ready to have your camera. Like now. Oh yeah, look at that baby. I'm holding our barn together right now. Fun, right? Super fun. Hi everyone, and anybody local got radar available? Maybe you can give me a heads up. Is there some sort of tornado or something coming? Because our side of the barn with the hay that we store it, thank goodness that they're well fed and not starving, or we would have had a equine buffet right just a couple minutes ago. Can you see if there's a tornado or something I should be aware of?